Today we're spicing up our living room with the help of our new rustic bookshelf from FATORRI. It looks stylish, is sturdy, and really completes our room. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to set up your living room too. Cut open the box and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Inside the box, you have your instructions, as well as a bunch of different parts to assemble your bookshelf. To get started, screw in your screw locks to the bottom of the top shelf. Put in your wood pegs, and then we're going to make the drawer insert. So grab the side walls and rolling brackets and screw those into place. Then slide in the side walls onto the pegs and screw locks. Secure those down using the nut locks, then slide on your back wall, and secure that down using the nut locks as well. Then screw down the back of the drawer to the side walls. Line up one of your legs, just one, this is important, and screw that down. Put in the middle shelf and screw that to the legs, and then do the same for the bottom shelf. Now you can slide in the back walls in between the grooves of the shelves. Then sandwich them in there with the other legs, and screw the legs down, holding it all together. Put in the adjustable feet, as well as the support rods. And now we're ready for the finishing touches. Grab the front wall to your drawer, and screw down the screw locks. Slide on the side walls, and secure those down using the nut locks. Put in the middle beam, and secure that down using the nut locks as well. Slide the bottom board into the grooves, and then put on the back wall. Screw that down, holding the whole thing together. Flip it over, and then screw down your rolling brackets. Flip it over, and then screw down your drawer handle, and now our drawer is built. So slide it into the shelf, and like that, we're done. I found the perfect spot for it, and organized some of my things. We added some focal points to the shelves, and put some important items, like our remotes, in the drawer. Now we'll always know where our remotes are, and won't be losing them. And I'm not joking either. It's so nice to know where they are at all times. Anyway, I feel like this shelf really ties the room together. I love the rustic wood design, the walnut brown color, and the detailed cuts on the front of the shelf. It looks really elegant, and would work in any of our rooms. But we decided to keep the top clear, and set it next to our cat tree. They use it to get to the window, and look at the chickens, as well as take some cat naps on top. Look at how cute. All in all, I'm loving this new bookshelf. Now we have a nice place to display our art, as well as organize and find our items. So if you're looking for a bookshelf to tie your room together as well, this bookshelf might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go shut off the lights with a remote that I know the location of. See ya.